Welcome to Game It Elementary. This course is designed to teach digital literacy, computer skills, and digital citizenship. There are over 60 hours of lessons, activities, and projects. This course is recommended for grades K through 5. Game It Elementary is broken down into 5 major topics. Each one includes a lesson, an activity, and resources associated with the topic at hand. The topics include algorithms and sequencing, computing systems, data and analysis, impacts of computing, and networks and the internet. Whenever you enter any STEMfuse course, you will always notice a Start Here folder. Let's take a look at that. Once you get into the Start Here folder, you have several resources available to you, including a course overview, technology guide, standard alignments, and some video tutorials. Let's take a look at the course overview. Once you go into the overview, it's going to outline every course module for you. It's going to tell you what lessons and what activities are included in each of the modules. Let's go ahead and look at one of the courses. We're going to go into algorithms and sequencing. Once you get into here, you will see there are several folders underneath algorithms and sequencing that are part of the topics that you will go over for this course. We're going to go into algorithms for this example. And you will see that in each one of these, there's also another teacher's guide that is specific to this topic. We're going to click on the teacher's guide, and it's going to walk you through the standards that are covered, along with what's going to happen in the course you're teaching, an introduction to the topic, and the suggested timeline that it's going to take to get through. Next, we're going to take a look at the lesson. Once you get into the lesson, you're simply going to use the toggle buttons to move around in the course. You'll have these forward and backward buttons, and you also have these icons at the top that you can go through with your students. Once you go through the entire lesson, it'll bring you to the activity workbook, and this is how you can assess what your students have learned throughout the lesson. You can either print this out and give that to them, or you can save it as a document and email it to them if you're using this via distance learning. And it's going to go through and ask your students questions of items that they should have learned in the algorithms lesson. Each of our folders are going to work in the same manner. They have the same layout for each topic that you go through.